Joe, hold it on that side.
What is this, Bob?
It's a new game. Hold it tight.
Okay. Ouch! My God, it hurts. What kind of a game is it?
This is the game that I play with those who disturbs me.
Oh, Bob, I have a doubt.
1 minute. What's your doubt, Joe?
I hold the rod on extreme end and you lightened it at the other end and I got hurt. What is the trick in it?
It's not trick, Joe. It is called transmission of heat.
Trans? What?
Flow of heat, Joe.
Does heat flow?
Yes, Joe. Heat flows from hotter object to colder object in 3 ways. First one is conduction, second one is convection, and the third one is radiation.
I'm not getting you, Bob. Will you give me a clear practical example for that?
Yes, Joe, I will. Firstly, conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat from one place to another without the movement of molecules. For this experiment we need iron rod, nails, wax, tripod stand and Bunsen burner. Stick the nails to iron rod with the help of wax like this. Heat the rod at one end with Bunsen burner for a while. Friends, careful with fire.
Hey, Bob, the nails are falling.
Yes, they are. Heat flows through the rod and melts the wax, which makes nails to fall. This is called conduction, Joe.
It's really great, Bob. What about convection?
Convection is the transfer of heat from one place to another by the movement of molecules. For this we need glass box, cardboard with 2 openings, 2 glass chimneys and a candle. Let's place a burning candle in glass box. Now close this box with the cardboard. Now arrange the glass chimneys on the 2 respective openings. Hold lightened incense sticks above second chimney.
Wow, Bob, the smoke is absorbed into box and is emitting out through the first chimney.
Yes, Joe. This is because of the density of air in the box is less than the density of air outside. This is called convection.
Now radiation?
Radiation is the transfer of heat from one place to another without any medium.
Do we need candle or fire here too?
No, Joe. It's very easy experiment to do. For this, we need a tin and water. Keep a tin filled with water in sun for some time. The temperature of water increases and it can evaporate. This is because of radiation.
Thank you, Bob.